Smart money traders watch for change of character, also known as CHoCH. Let me write it. CHoCH. And once you understand these concepts, you will start seeing possible reversal before most traders do. In this video, I will explain CHoCH in the simplest way possible with real chart examples, how it forms, and how you can use it in trading. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the following. Number one, what change of character means, how to identify change of character, and how traders use it to catch reversals. Let's begin. What is change of character? A change of character happens when the market shows the first sign that the current trends may be weakening. Let me explain with illustration. If we have an uptrend where we have series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high, and all of a sudden it comes to break this higher low and close below it, we have a change of character here. This is a sign that this uptrend is weakening and may likely not continue, may change to a bearish trend. Let's look at bearish condition. If you have a bearish structure where you have bearish condition where price is making series of lower low, lower high, lower lows. I have lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower high, and lower low, and price comes to break the lower high and close above it. We have a change of character. So this is called change of character. We can go to chart and explain better. Like in this example here, we have this structure where we have a bullish trend. This is our higher high and this is our higher low. Structure is broken here and the trend continues. We have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high here. This other higher high came down and took out the higher low here and close above it. As you can see from this candle, let me zoom it very well. You can see that this candle that broke this higher low close below it. That's why we have change of character. And once change of character happens, we look at sign of reversal. So as you can see, immediately this candle closed below the higher low here, the structure changed to bearish. So as you can see here, we started having a series of lower high and lower low. Have lower high and lower low, and price took out the inducement, and this becomes our lower high, and here is the lower low. This is the lower low that took out the inducement, and as you can see, this structure or this candle closed below this lower low, and our lower high is confirmed here. We can look, this is for bullish structure. So we have two types of CHoCH, the bullish and the bearish change of character. For another example, let me zoom out the chart so we can find other example. Okay, here now we have another example where you have series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And all of a sudden, you've seen that this move took out the lower high here, forming this bullish change of character. So this is exactly what we mean. Once the lower high is taken out and the candle that took it out closes above the lower high, you have a bullish change of character. The first example is a bearish change of character under a bullish trend. So that is it. Let's move to the next thing. Note, change of character does not guarantee reversal. There are sometimes you have a change of character, but without confirmation, it can still fail. So it is not 100% guaranteed that when you see a sign of reversal, the reversal is going to occur. It only gives an early warning that momentum may be shifting. This is why smart traders wait for confirmation like 1. Retests, 2. Liquidity sweeps, fair value gaps, or strong bullish or bearish candles. So let's look at how to trade change of character. For us to trade change of character as a beginner, there are some things you need to bear in mind. I will write them out. These are the steps you should follow. Number 1, identify the current trend. Identify the current trend. As they always say, trend is your friend. In this example we did here, we can see that the current trend here is bullish, which is uptrend. So this uptrend now gave us this bearish change of character that changed the structure of the current trend to bearish. So the number two factor you should look at is watch for structure breaks. Watch for structure break. There must be break of structure. Let's look at 3. Wait for confirmation. You don't just enter immediately you see the reversal signal, which is change of character. You wait for confirmation and use other confluences in your strategy to confirm that market is truly reversing. So this is wait for confirmation. The third point, wait for confirmation. Then number 4, manage risk properly. Manage risk properly. This is very important because nothing is 100% certain in the forex market. You never risk too much on one trade. Even perfect looking change of character setups can fail. Change of character is one of the most important concepts in smart money concept. It helps trader identify when momentum may be shifting. But remember, change of character is not magic. It is simply an early warning sign. The real edge comes from combining it with 1. Proper confirmations, 2. Risk management, 3. Patience, and experience. Master these concepts and you will start understanding price action on a much deeper level. Subscribe to this channel and see you in the next video.